How to stop receiving WhatsApp messages without blocking. In this video, I will show you two methods on how to do it. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, after you open up your WhatsApp, go and search for the person that you want to stop receiving message from him without blocking him. So for me, I will just go with this person. All you have to do, just tap on the person. So after you open up the person chat, all you have to do, tap on the person name. So scroll to down and tap on this mute notifications. Tap on this always. Tap on this OK. So if you tap on this, scroll to down again and tap on this chat lock. So after you tap on this chat lock, tap on this continue. Now it will ask you to use your fingerprint or face lock to lock the chat. So now as you can see, now chat lock now is turned on. So now if I tap on this go back, if I go back again, so as you can see now I'm no longer now to see the message. As you can see, here is the chat lock. So if I tap on this lock chat now, so now use your fingerprint to open the chat. So now you can be able now to see any notification from this person unless you open the chat that you lock. As you can see, if you open the chat now, you can be able now to continue making conversation with the person. But now if you did not unlock the chat, you can receive any message from him. That's the first method. So the second method to do it, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. Tap on this settings. Tap on this chat. Scroll to down and tap on this archive chat. Make sure to turn it on. After you turn it on, all you have to do, go back again. So after you go back, all you have to do, just long press your hand on the person that you want to stop receiving message from him without blocking him. So I'll long press my hand on it. After you long press your hand on the person, tap on this archive, this one. So as you can see now, it says archive. So now I can be able now to receive any messages from him. But if I tap on this archive message, now I can be able now to see all the messages that I just archived them. I did not block the person, but I cannot just receive message from him. That's it guys on how to do it. Make sure to just choose one of these methods for you without blocking the person. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.